Uncle Mud here, enjoying the fire before I head home. We just finished our latest install of a rocket mass heater. This is the Liberator out of Missouri. Links below. It's so far the only rocket heater that's UL listed for insurance and code purposes. It installs like a wood stove, like any other wood stove, but it burns clean enough that we can install a thermal mass bench so you can have a warm butt when you're sitting next to the fire. And so the house will still be warm in the morning without a bunch of creosote and so forth. So the install turned out really well. We were able to use stone from an old foundation on the property, and there's a sand and gravel quarry down the street that brought us our sand and our little stones that we use to fill into the cob for more mass. You can see that the cat has already marked her territory with paw prints. Those will actually be really cute. When it dries out, we'll oil it and they'll be like fossilized like dinosaur prints. And the Liberator here, the specs say that we can go 12 inches from the wall, from an unprotected wall. This was getting a bit warm, so we decided to put it out a little ways, about 14-15 inches from the wall, and put in a heat shield just in case. It also means that less of the heat goes out the wall into the outside and more of it gets reflected into the room. And then we used an insulated chimney over here, mainly because up here where the only place to install the through the roof port wasn't far enough from the wall to safely have an uninsulated chimney coming up. Our host found these stainless steel interior, galvanized exterior pipes for a lot less money actually for the whole batch than one pipe is to get the new stuff. And they're in good shape. So used is better as long as the pipes weren't in a chimney fire. And you can see through the skylight a little bit. You can see the chimney up there. We had to go like 10 feet in the air to get up to where it was safe past the second story. You know, all the things you got to do for code, most of which really does make it safer. So it turned out pretty well, and it immediately it's been helping with keeping this place warmer. It's been down in the teens, and this is one of those old farmhouses that's hard to heat. So having this rocket heater fired up has made a big difference as we've been working cold and wet, making cob. It's middle of March, but it sure feels like winter. Look at that snow stuff. Yeah, still feels like winter here. But of course, all the hardware stores around here put away their stovepipe and whatnot and trying to sell us a lawnmower instead. It wasn't very helpful. But we got it. Stay tuned for more of our adventures. Find us on YouTube, Uncle Mud, or unclemud.com. I'd like to thank our sponsors at patreon.com/Uncle Mud. They really help make it possible to share these cool things. Catch you later.